I had taken the subscription. I watched all the videos. Then I watched all the videos, made notes. Again, I watched all the videos and solved all the MCQs, solved all the test series, a multiple time test series.
So I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members of Speed Medical Institute to Dr. Yash Miglani for scoring a CML rank 2 and AML rank number 9 in Super Speciality of MCA Surgical Gastroenterology in NEET session November 2025. Congratulations to you, Doctor.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
Great. So can we know your brief background history from where you started till date, what all you have done?
Yeah, sir. Sir, I've done my MBBS from Bangalore Medical College and Research Institute, and I have done my MS in General Surgery from PG Medical College, Ahmedabad.
Great. So your special interest towards MCA surgical gastroenterology started when, and why you want to pursue that as a super specialty?
Sir, it started during my residency only, sir. I used to watch those cases, and while operating, I like my sir used to support me a lot, and sir, it had like a great impact on me, sir.
Who's,
While operating,
who was your sir?
sir, he's Doctor Hitendra Desai, sir.
Great. Convey my regards to him.
Yes, sir.
Who inspired you to
Yes,
take this decision?
yes, sir.
So you decided to do MCA surgical gastroenterology. What all you did from that point till date? What all have you preparation strategy?
Sir, I like my senior, Arpit Bhaiya. So he is in AIMS Delhi, sir. I asked him a lot. I asked him like how he prepared. He told me like he had like joined Speed Institute, and then sir, I joined Speed, and I watched all the classes, and I made my own notes. And sir, I wanted like it's my first attempt. I wanted to do in first attempt only, sir. I
Oh,
was like,
okay.
yeah, sir.
Okay. One shot, best shot.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. So duration of your preparation, I mean, what all you did in that period, can you build a little more brief
Yeah,
on?
sir. Sir, I started in September this year only. I still remember the date. It was 7th of September I started. I had taken the subscription. I watched all the videos. Then I watched all the videos, made notes. Again, I watched all the videos. So, sir, I watched like 4 or 5 times and solved all the MCQs, solved all the test series, a multiple time test series. And yeah, and read important parts from Shackelford and Blumgart also, sir.
Great. So, how many questions do you attend this exam?
79, sir.
What was one unlucky question that didn't
One trial, sir, I didn't know, sir.
try out?
I haven't even heard of.
Okay, great. Now, can you tell us something on the paper itself and also the preparation of interview and an interview?
Yes, sir. Sir, my paper, sir, that was, sir, I think 50 questions out of 50 questions, I knew almost 45. Like I have heard of. And I was confident in 35 to 40 questions out of 45. Out of that, sir, 25 were repeats. That much I have like sorted out by solving previous year's questions. And the remaining 5 questions, I couldn't like, I didn't know. But I was like, okay, if I'm able to rule out 2 options, I will definitely attempt that question. General, I only read Bailey, and that too only the important topics. Like I watch your videos of previous year topics, like previous year question papers, and I marked all those topics from where they're picking the questions. So, sir, I think it was strategy which was most important for me. Restricted study, but quality study, sir.
Great.
Not the quantity. Quantity I didn't do, sir.
Okay, very good, very good. Now, interview, what was the preparation? How did you prepare for interview and what were they asked in the interview? Can you share something on that?
Yeah, sir. Sir, in interview, sir, they had asked me about portal hypertension, like how do you manage a case of hematemesis? And next question they asked me about how do you manage a case of right upper quadrant pain on post-op day 1 in laparoscopic cholecystectomy. That's what they asked. And in spotter, sir, I didn't know one question, but rest I knew.
Okay, very good. Excellent. Now, what is the message that you want to give for the future aspirants of SGE?
I think, sir, go for INI, don't go for NEET.
Why so specific that way?
Sir, it's more predictable, sir. It
Okay.
is more predictable, and once you can like make a good strategy of that exam, you can actually get a good rank, sir. I never got, sir, single digit rank. In MBBS also, sir, 4 digit. MS also 4 digit. Here, sir, single digit.
Wow. So that gives you a great feel, huh? Great.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
wonderful. And
Thank you.
time to thank and whom all you want to thank that you can use the platform to do so, helped your career till date.
Sir, first, sir, I want to thank the entire Speed family, sir. My mom, my dad, my parents, my wife. And, sir, one person I would like to thank a lot, sir, Basan, sir. He has made my concepts solid. Like, it was from basics, sir, like this, how, when to do this, when not to do this. I love these classes, sir. I've watched almost like 5, 6 times.
Fantastic. I'll convey to him anyway. You'll see the video also. You'll be very happy hearing from you.
Yeah, sir.
So great. So once again, we wish you, on behalf of the entire team of Speed to you, wish you all
Yes,
the
sir.
best and all the success for a great and wonderful career in MCS Surgical Gastroenterology. Best wishes to you, Doctor.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
Great.